I think one of the core ways we'll monetize will be advertising. So we are already a large platform on the ShareChat side. So ShareChat is double of March. ShareChat is about 160 million monthly actives, and we have recently been advertising. So we always had the philosophy that we would first capture a very large market and then go after monetizing. So I think with ShareChat we are there where now we want to start monetizing, and we've been doing just that since the beginning of this year. Yeah, so I would say advertising is the first way, but I think with like you would have seen there are various different models emerging in US and China, be it social commerce, be it virtual gifting. So I think there are a lot of other potentials that we will try, but our core business will remain advertising.
Ankush, can you give us a better idea of just what you've seen in the way of new user growth and a change to the business as a result of the TikTok ban in India?
Yeah, so again, I would like to divide this into two products, ShareChat and Mods. So ShareChat is a very different, it's a social media product, not directly competing with TikTok. But it did see gains in this calendar year given the COVID lockdowns, and a lot of macros happened to be beneficial for us. So we, for example, started this year at about 60, 70 million monthly active users on ShareChat, and that has grown to 160. So we've seen a massive growth on the ShareChat side. On the Mod side is where I would say we have been very, very opportunistic because we figured that this is a large vacuum, it's a large opportunity of short video market, and therefore we launched on that product. And I still believe there is a large appetite for short video content, and if we can provide a really good experience that essentially translates to a really good AI-backed feed, there is a large market to be captured.
Okay. Clearly, that would be good news for your investors watching the user growth. And, you know, as we talk about heightened scrutiny in India and other places over apps from China, there's also a question as to whether or not there'll be a stigma tied to taking money from Chinese investment firms. I know you've had Chinese backers before. Does this concern you? I mean, are you still considering taking investment from Chinese-backed companies going forward?
See, like before I mention anything, I think we are still very much in connect with our Chinese investors. We are very, very thankful for their support that they've given us. I think the macro situation sort of pushes you to be more pragmatic and more cautious towards do you want further capital or not. So I think we will take a measured approach, but I think we would definitely want to have our early backers also move forward along with us, but we'll be cautious and we'll take a measured approach.